Hi, I'm Mandeep Singh, CEO and founder of Mandeeps.com and Vanjaro. Thank you so much for joining me in this series of preview videos of Vanjaro, where we're releasing a new preview video every day until DNN Summit 2020. So let's get started. So far, we've looked at several blocks here, and we've seen how we can use them to create beautiful pages. We've also looked at the site administration and see how we can quickly create pages, users, roles, and asset management. Now, sometimes you're just working on your page or a site and you need to link it to a file or something else, and you just quickly need to add a file. So what we have on the top here is what we call our quick add or shortcut menu. You can quickly click here and click on upload file, and that's a shortcut to the assets. So that's super cool. Similarly, you can quickly create a new page, so you don't have to go through the site menu, and you can quickly create a new user, and in the same way you can quickly create a new role. But today what we're going to look at is how we can create our own custom blocks and be able to extend our blocks menu right here. Now there are many ways to extend Vanjaro and create your own blocks. The blocks that you see here on the top, these are pure HTML and JavaScript blocks. So no server-side code is being used here, they're just pure JavaScript and HTML. The applications right here, they're also considered blocks, but these are your actual DNN modules, and you can use any architecture to create your DNN module, whether it's web forms, whether it's MVC, whether it's Razor pages, or a SPA-based application, and they will start appearing right here. What you see down here is what we call our design blocks. These are blocks that are your theme driven, and these are basically HTML, JavaScript, Razor pages, and web API combination. So there's a lot of different ways to create custom blocks, but what I'm going to cover today is a super easy and quick way for you to create your own custom blocks. That is simply go down here and click on custom block. Now we can go ahead and give a name to our custom block. I'm just going to call it error, and it will be apparent in a second why. I'm going to give it a category. I'll call it alerts. And we can provide any HTML and CSS to go with it. So I'm just going to switch over to Bootstrap side here and just copy some code. I'm just going to copy the div right here, which is the error alert. I'm just going to paste it in here, and I'll hit update. Now if I go down here, I'll see alerts category has been created, and I see an error in it. I'm going to go ahead and do this one more time. Let me do one more and call it warning, and we'll put in alerts category and head over right here and grab a warning, copy it, and then bring it right in here. Now I can definitely add my custom CSS, and this is just a placeholder right now, so I'm going to leave it alone and hit update again. So there you go. I have two new blocks already created that I can go back and edit at any time or delete them if I don't need them. So let's go ahead and do a couple more. I'm gonna go ahead and give a name called feature. Card category would be cards, and jump over here to Bootstrap, and I like the card look and feel here. Let me copy this and just bring it in here, and I'll hit update. And if I go down here, I see that I have a featured card. Couldn't be easier than that. All right, let's try and use them. I'm going to go ahead and drag my error and just keep it here, and there it is. Now I have a alert that is a danger alert. Now if I want to change this, just double click. You got your inline live editing, and I can simply call this whatever. Oh no, looks like something went wrong, and there we go. Now same way I can go ahead and grab another one. I'll go ahead and call it a warning. Something is amiss. Alright, so super easy. You have your full drag and drop support on these. You can move them around where you want, edit things, get rid of them if you don't like it. So full control is still there. That is super cool and awesome. Let's bring the other one we created, which was featured, and you see I have this nice card layout here. What is super interesting is when I click on that button, I do get the intelligence or the super UX manager that we have here, which detects it is actually a button that I am aware of, and now I get all those controls that we saw earlier in button videos, where I can change the colors, make it a length, change the alignments, give it a smaller size,
change its styling and so forth. So that's super awesome. Same with text, heading, it detects those elements, your basic elements, and brings them in, and that's super cool. Now once you drag a custom block onto the page, it's basically nothing but made of different blocks. So I can still go ahead and grab another button and drop it right here, or I can still go ahead and take this text and move it up, or I can still do Control Z and undo that. So that's pretty cool. Let's get rid of this button. Now you can do the same thing. You can move it around, drag and drop, or you can get rid of it. So it is really that's easy to go ahead and create your custom elements. And if you don't need one, you simply click here and get rid of them. That's it.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back tomorrow with another video, so be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social networks. Head over to Vanjaro.com and join the conversation. Let us know what you think about Vanjaro.